Meet vegetable vendor Fool Rani and rickshaw driver Dayaram Pandit who live in a chawl. Their dream is to own a home. Agrim helps every customer find, finance, protect, and validate their home. Any customer seeking an affordable home can log on to the Apna Ghar Khoj website, check the builder's green rating, and book an appointment directly. From Apna Ghar Khoj, they can easily navigate to Agrim Insta Home Loan app, assess eligibility for free, and get a principally approved home loan in just 10 minutes. Agrim HFC empowers every deserving customer in their journey of home ownership. It provides an innovative digital property search feature that makes legal assessments in minutes. It also blends neural algorithms during live video streaming to strengthen the credit assessment process. Its innovative validator uses 16 facial microexpressions and retinal scan data for trust decisions. Agrim disburses home loans in only 5 to 7 days as compared to the industry average of 30 to 45 days. And that's how Agrim is fulfilling its promise and achieving home ownership dreams for customers like the Pandit couple.
आज ही अप्लाई करें